Good day guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badnos. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So in this video, we'll continue our spaghetti code processes, and as you can see, it's already looking very untidy and rowdy. There is a lot of activity. There are lots of activities going on, but just bear with me till we finish. Then we begin to break it down into page object model and other ways of and other neater ways and easily maintainable ways of writing script. So the next thing we want to do after we've at this point we've been able to select the value and we've been able to extend the page into 36. So let's see that here. So it's already done 36. So what we need to do is we need to click this. So let's click this. So moving on, to make things fast, I'll be using the Ranorex velocity. So bear with me, so because I just want to make things fast. So I'll click on this. Let's say I want to pick the whole product info at the same time. So I have that already copied here. So I've copied that. So the next thing I'll do is, to be on the safer side, the first thing I would want to do is check that I will check that after expanding the page, that the what's the code is there. The element I want to pick is there. So let me first just write this. Find element by and so I'm supposed to click this, but before I click it, I will just want to let me copy and paste this. I want to check that the word code is there. I want to check that this page, this particular product I want to click, it's already displayed. So I would add that to it. So once I've added this, I can try to click it. So let's test that and see if it works. So what's going on here? Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't see it has worked. So I'll just quickly run it again. Wow, so fast. I was a bit distracted. So now that we know that that has worked, so the next thing we want to do now is click on the product. Then we click on extra large, and we click on this color, and we click on add to cart. So let's do that. So let's start with extra large. As again, I will just use I will use Ranorex, so I will not be identifying elements. So in this case, I would want to do the same thing here because I just clicked on a new product. So I want to verify that the next event on the new page is available before I continue. So the product I want to click on is this. Right. Now that we have this there, okay, we should change it like I did in the other time. In order to eliminate that issue, we can do that. So let me just recopy this because I will need this to be clicked now. So this is what will be clicked. So there's no need to verify anything anymore because we are on the page and we verified one of the elements on the page is visible and it is ready. It is interactable. So we can continue with clicking on orange. So we don't need to verify that orange is there because we've already verified something already. As again, I will pick from Ranorex so we can be faster. So I will just copy and paste this, and I'll be doing a lot of copy and paste so we will be able to move faster. So let me see, this is what we need. We will remove this too, yep, and change it to the double quotes, and we've done that. So the next thing we need now is the add to cart button, and once again Ranorex. I like Ranorex. There are so many. You can use selectors hub, you can use crowpath, and other people use other things. So I even use, at times I use a CSS and expert checker, but this time around I'm just sticking with Ranorex. So we have this there, and we are going to change this to the add to cart element selector. So that's it. So once that's done, this is what we'll see. So let us manually add it to cart. Now that we've added to cart, what do we see? We see this there. So we just need to see that this works. So far so good. Let's first check what we've done so far and see if it works. Yes, it works. It returned an exit code 0. So let's now check this. So we need to identify this particular one here and see that it is visible, because we just finished an action, so we need to see that this one gets there. So let's first do this, because we need to see that it gets there before we click it. So we'll use this step. We'll repeat a step here that check if this is visible. And after it is visible, click on it. So let's test that. Let's test that and see. Uh-oh, looks like something is not working. Excel is not clicked. Why is it not clicked? Let's run that again. That must be a glitch. Excel isn't clicked again. Did we identify a wrong one? Let's find out. That's it. So it is right. So let us rerun it. Yeah, it worked. And it clicked it for us. So we need to verify that once it has clicked it, we can see the proceed to checkout button. So let's get the proceed to checkout button. And we basically will do the same thing here. Let's copy and paste it. We need the proceed to checkout button to be checked if it is, when it is clicked, if it is there. So let's test that again. Looks like there is an error. What's the error? It says timeout exception, which means it couldn't see this. What could be the cause of that? Let's investigate this manually. Let's repeat this process. I'm going to delete this. Yes. Let me position this by the side so I can see the whole screen in a better view. So I've picked this. Let me add to cart. Okay, it loads, but this verifies first. It loads, so which means it could actually see the element has loaded. So because it interacts with all the tags, not just the page. So the elements have loaded, it has received a response. So that is why this is happening. So perhaps if we verify this first, the shopping cart, then we can verify this. So let's try that and see if it works, because this event is sort of tied to this. So let's verify this first and see. Let's say if the shopping cart is there. So we're checking for quantity here. So let's say if the shopping cart is there first, if that shopping cart message is there, then we should also now check for the icon. So which means we'll first check for this, then we check for this, then we try to click it. So let's try it and see if this will work. Yeah, it worked. So manually, since we've done this and we can click on proceed to check out manually, let's see what we get. So which brings us to the end of this video, because in this video we'll fill all this, then we'll click on next, and from that I think we just need to click place order and we'll end these spaghetti steps. So thank you for getting this far with me. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.